So here it says a Lambert conformal chart whose standard parallels are 54 degrees and 59 degrees north is used for navigation. The straight line from 53 north 165 east to B 58 north 145 east is drawn on the chart. The true course of the straight line track drawn on this chart at A is 301. What is the straight line track at B? Okay, just do this please. It's a very simple, straightforward thing. Yes. There. How much is it?
I haven't done it, sir.
Yeah, I know. But the idea of asking you is to tell you to do it.
So does it mean, right, you coming from B to A, the straight line from B to A?
From A to B?
No, I mean, we know that from on the chart for A is 301.
Yeah. So the course of the straight line on this chart at A is 301.
Okay.
That means it's going northwestward. Yeah.
Does that mean we just need to take the reciprocal of 301?
The true track of the straight line track drawn? No. How much is it at B? That is the same track. At A it is 301 because it's a straight line track. It's a great circle track. So what you need to find out is conversion angle and then apply it to 301. You will get the track at B. Correct? Are you understanding? Find out convergence, you'll get the conversion angle and you apply it.
Sir, is the answer 292.65?
How much?
292.65.
No, it is 284 is the answer. Okay, what is the parallel of origin?
0.83.
No, parallel of origin.
Oh, parallel origin. Oh, sorry.
Who is that? Nina, what is the parallel of origin? How much is it? 56.5. So, what you need to find out? How much is the change of longitude here? Between 165 and 145, 20 degrees?
Yeah.
Okay, so 20 into sine parallel of origin, how much do you get?
16.7.
So take it as 17. Yeah. So correct, Nina. 16.7, take it as 17.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so if you take it as 17, what does 17 mean?
Convergence.
17 degrees
Convergence.
is convergency, is the difference between the two tracks. Between the track at A and the track at B.
Oh.
Yeah, isn't it? What is convergency? Convergency is the difference in the track between the starting point and the ending point. Yes, you all remember that?
Okay.
Yeah, so now, is it 301 plus 17 or 301 minus 17?
Minus
After all,
17.
it is
Minus 17.
minus 17. So 301 minus 17 is?
284.
There you are.
Because, sir, it is because we're coming from east to west, so it's decreasing.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
East to west northerly hemisphere, it starts with D, remember? D, I, D. So D is decrease.
Yes.
So going westward, it will decrease. And that's why you minus it.
So it's increase first, then decrease.
Yes.
Okay. Correct.
But the total difference, it will decrease. Correct. The total difference, it will decrease from what it was. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who didn't understand this, because it's a simple thing, it's a basic, we must know this. Okay, what we did was, we first of all, to understand the question. The question says that from A to B, you draw a line. And the initial track is 301, which means it's on a westerly heading. Okay, so we have to find out, they say at A it is 301, how much is it at B? That means at the end, it starts with 301, how much will it end at? We know from the rules of convergency that convergency is the difference between the starting heading and the end heading, equals the convergency. So in this case, you have the starting heading as 301. Only thing we need to know, is it minus convergency or plus convergency? But we know that it starts with DIID, that is decrease. That means you have to minus it. So you minus how much? The amount of convergency we calculated was 17 degrees. Because change of longitude into sine parallel of origin.
So I think
So it
we
is-
misinterpret the questions.
Okay. What did you
Because-
interpret it as?
No, because at first we thought the straight line is a ram line. That's why we
No.
misunderstand on that.
Yeah. You see, of the 9 questions that you did in the exercise 360, you remember whenever they want you to calculate or take into consideration great circle, they always mention it as a straight line.
Okay.
And I have told you, unless a straight line and a great circle are mentioned in the same question, the straight line is to be taken as a great circle. Is that clear, everyone? On a Lambert problem, whenever a straight line is mentioned in any of these problems, please take it as a great circle. Unless a straight line and a great circle are mentioned in the same question, in which case, what you will take the straight line as? Half chart convergence between straight line and the rhumb line. Remember? Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? On a Lambert problem, please take the straight line as a great circle track. Unless in a particular problem, both the great circle and the straight line are mentioned. In which case, the great circle is a great circle. The straight line is it will have angular difference of half chart convergence with the rhumb line track. That is what a straight line is. When it is mentioned along with a great circle track in any particular problem. Any doubts, anyone? Okay. Any doubts on this problem that we just went through? Yeah? No problem?
Sir, sorry,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, so when they give us the let's say the standard parallel method, so at first we find the origin.
Parallel of origin. In
Okay,
case it's
we find the-
necessary.
Okay.
This is Abdul, isn't it?
Yes, correct, sir.
Abdul, there's no harm in finding the parallel of origin, but sometimes it may not be necessary to find the parallel of origin, because they'll tell you a Lambert conformal is between so and so standard parallel, and the constant of the cone is 0.8.
Okay.
When the constant of the cone is given, you don't have to bother about standard parallel. No, parallel of origin, because the sign of that parallel of origin is given to you. When they give you little n, or they give you constant of the cone,
Okay.
the sign of the constant of the parallel of origin is what they've given you in little n or constant of the cone. So in which case, there's no need for you to calculate the parallel of origin. Even if you calculate it and you don't use it, it doesn't matter. It's just a waste of time. That's all. Are you understanding?
Okay, so after let's say they give the conversion factor already. I mean, let's say in the previous case they give us the 0.8. So simply we use that to find the conversion and the convergency.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
You can
So
use that to find the conversion angle, convergency, etc. Then the parallel of origin is not material because you already got the sign of that parallel of origin.
Okay.
That's all it means. Yeah, everyone clear on this?
Okay.
Yeah, no doubts? Any doubts? Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Oh, good, sir.
Copied, okay? All right. Okay.
Okay.
We'll go to the next one. Okay. This will be, shall we do this? Okay. Let's do this slightly tricky, but it is time you all did it. Okay. All right. See Lambert chart. Okay. So a straight line is drawn from A, 53 south, 155 east, to B, 53 south, 170 west. Okay, on a Lambert chart with standard parallels at 50 south and 56 south. So when passing 175 west, what will the true track be? Yes, everyone understood the problem? Any doubts on the problem? When passing 5 degrees short of 170 west, what will the track be? Yes, in this case, Abdul, you'll have to find the standard parallel. No, parallel of origin, because
So
it's not given to you.
So I got parallel origin is 53 degree.
Yes.
So the conversion factor, again, sine of 53 is 0.799.
Okay, into?
And then change of longitude is 35 degree.
Very good. From 155 to 170 is 35 degrees. Okay.
35,
So what is the convergency you got, or conversion angle? 28 or 14 degrees conversion angle.
Oh yes, 40 degrees.
Okay. All right. So then what will you do now?
So,
If that's 28 degrees, convergency is 28 degrees, right? What is your starting angle? What is your starting track? What will your starting track be?
90.
How will that is drumline track, great
Okay,
circle
then
track.
circle. So
This is southern latitude, remember.
yes,
So how much will it start with?
104.
Absolutely. And it will end with? Come on, end with how much? Simple, no. You added
76.
076. So you're going to start at 104 and end at 076. So this 175, at 170, 175, it is somewhere between these two headings. Okay? How will you find this out?
Oh, gosh.
If you do change of longitude up to 175, that is 30 degrees, how much do you get?
So if let's say we take 30 degree,
Okay. How much you get?
24 degree.
24 degrees. Okay, then what you do?
So conversion is 12 degree.
All right. So at 170, 175, if you start with how much, your conversion angle is how much? 24? No, convergency for 30 degrees, how much?
102.
102 you start and then end with how much?
078.
Do you finish with 078?
Correct, sir.
Is it? Or 080?
Wait. 090 minus 12.
Minus 12, 078. Okay,
Yes.
good. That is it then. That is the answer that you want.
Okay.
What will it be at 175?
So 078.
078. Okay. In fact, you can go straight without doing the initial also. You go from 155. I mean, you do 30 degrees change of longitude. Yes.
Okay.
If you do 30 degrees change of longitude, you get convergency how much? 24.
Okay.
So you start at 102 and you end at
078.
078. And what you want to know is what is the track last at 175? It is 078.
So actually, sir, it's not really necessary to find the 170.
Not necessary.
Okay.
Not necessary to find it. Anyone else who did this?
Sorry, sir, can you repeat?
Nina.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nina, what is the change of longitude? We'll say between 155 and 175 west, 155 east and 175 west. What is the change of longitude?
30 degrees.
30 degrees. What is the parallel of origin?
53 degrees south.
53. So 30 change of longitude 30 into sine 53.
Sine 53. Yeah,
How much is it?
24 degrees.
24 degrees. So what is that is convergency? What is conversion angle?
12.
12. So you start 090 minus 12. Sorry, 090 plus 12. Correct?
Why 090, sir?
Because you're on the same latitude, no, 53 south.
Oh, okay.
What, Nina? The first thing you do is that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So 59
Yeah.
plus 12, 102.
Yeah.
Okay. So after that, 90 plus 12, 90 minus 12,
78.
078.
Yes.
That will be your heading when you're passing 175. Because if you go to 170, the convergence is 14 degrees, so it will be 7 degrees there. Here it is 6 degrees.
So our Shlong is actually from 155 east to 175 west.
West.
Instead of 70.
Yes. Yes. No. If you want to, when you fly, if you find out 155 to 170, you'll find out that the convergence is 14, which is convergent angle is 7. But if you find out from 155 to 175, where change of longitude is 30 degrees, you'll find it is 24, which is 12. So 90 plus 12 and 90 minus 12. 90 plus 12, 102, and you finish at 078.
Since we're trying to find out what is at 175 west, we'll just take 175 instead of 170 west.
Yes. 170 not required.
Okay, all right, got it.
The 170 is just to confuse you, yes, sir.
Well, not to confuse you, but to tell you, yes, okay, when you get 170, suppose you calculate 170, you will get ending heading is at 080. Okay, when you look at the answers, all right, it is 102, 282, 258, and 078. So even if you got 080, you know that 078 is the right answer. Are you understanding, Ashraf? Ashraf asked me this one.
Yes, sir, I do.
Yeah, Ashraf, if you see the 4 answers that are there, your choices, it is 102, 282, 258, and 078. So even if you got 080, you know that 078 is the correct answer. Because you are nowhere close to 102, 282, 258.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Everyone clear on this? So when you're solving these problems, suppose you come to the nearest answer and you know you're working, you're very sure about your working. You choose the nearest answer. Don't bother about finding the answer accurately. But you should be confident of your working. That's it. By the end of this revision, you should be. Yeah, is that clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Good.
Yes, sir.
Ashraf, in this online teaching, the confidence level of the instructor is very low. You know why? Because you don't get answers, you can't see the darn faces to find out whether guys are looking bright or they're looking very down and out. So you don't know what the hell is going on.
Yes, so those are the challenges with online classes.
No, I am just pulling your leg because I knew you guys well enough. My only concern, Ashraf, is these people who I'm not receiving, are they online? Are they not online? Will you do one thing? At the end of this, whenever you have time, will you be able to check with these people? Are they receiving me? Are they attending class? And if any of y'all, if you all have any doubts, because there is no two-way contact between you and me, you fail to ask some questions. Please ask anytime. All those people who've asked me questions, I reply to them nearly immediately, sometimes about an hour or so late if I'm doing something, which is not very much. Probably I'm helping my wife cooking or something like that, or cleaning the floor. Okay. But otherwise, I'm available. Just ask me what is required. Okay. So Ashraf, just find out if these guys are receiving me, things like that. I'll feel a little more confident.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Okay, I'll do that check
Okay.
for you, yeah.
Yeah. Now, what I intend doing is I want some inputs on this. Now, I'm very doubtful about your having understood Lambert's enough to be able to handle all the questions in the AVAX. Okay. So I intend doing some more questions in the next class. Okay. So I want your views on this. Should we continue to do some more? Do you want more, questions to be solved together? Or you feel that I should carry on to the next lesson and we will do all this later? That's also okay with me. But I would prefer you're understanding this thing properly before we carry on. Because even after class resumes, there will be enough time for us to revise. But if your ideas are clear now, it will be easier when we're doing the revision, when we meet. It'll be so much faster. Otherwise, we'll be going back to basics and then wasting a lot of time. Yes, Abdul, Ashraf, are you all understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
sir.
and just because I'm not getting Shakil, I would like his input. Anyway, just speak to him also. So now we've gone past 11. Fortunately, your alarm hasn't rung, Abdul.
Yes, sir.
So till I said your alarm hasn't gone, so I'm very happy it hasn't gone.
Alam.
Rajesh.
Yeah, you muted it. Okay, so till next class then, this is it. Yeah. Revise as many AVAX questions as you can during, between today and the next class. And I will do some more with y'all day after tomorrow. And then y'all give me feedback, if any, on the classes that we are holding. What I need to do, what we need to practice. Okay? All right. Suren, did you get what I said till now? Yes, Suren?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Let me, once I come on the screen, once I can see you guys when you. Okay. What is this time share is not? Yeah. Okay. Izam, I can't get. Ayman, no. Rajesh. Yeah, Rajesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye. Bye, Rajesh.
Bye, sir. Take care, sir. Eat well.
Gilbert, you too. Gilbert.
Yes, sir. Bye,
Yeah,
sir.
Gilbert. Okay. Bye, Gilbert. Haziq.
Yes, sir.
Bye, Haziq. Nina.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Nina. Ziawi, we are still out of touch, I think. There. Bye, there.
Bye, sir.
Yeah. Elisha, we're still not in contact. Galen, we're not in contact. Okay. Lynn.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Lynn. Bye, Ashraf.
Bye, bye, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, see you. Bye, Hakim.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, see you. Thanks. Joling, we're still not in touch. Okay. Avzai,
Yes, sir.
Shakil. Oh, Avzai, you're there?
Yeah.
Oh, bloody hell. Okay. Avzai, everything understood? All my transmissions clear?
Yeah.
Made sense? Yeah, okay. Shakil, we're still not in contact? Okay. Okay, Abdul, that's it then. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice
Yeah,
day.
bye. You too.
Thank
Abdul,
you,
bye.
sir.
Bye-bye, ma. Bye. See ya. Bye.